Hello, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Magiccraft NFT mint went live today publicly about 3 hours ago. It's going to be active for the next few hours, so make sure you jump on it. Hit the subscribe button. Join 74,000 people. Smash up thumbs up button. The link to Magiccraft mint is down below. We're going to look at Bitcoin. We're going to look at Ethereum. We're going to look at Luna, the technicals, and see what they're telling us in the charts. I'm going to show you my trades as well. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals. I've been bullish all day, and that's paying off because Bitcoin is getting quite a strong bounce here. We're going to the 4-hourly charts. Squeeze mob is still going to the green side. We're getting a big pump up in volume. Stochastic is... I teach you how to do this in the crypto course. Stochastic is heading up. Squeeze mob is going green. And RSI is heading up. So it's actually looking bullish on Bitcoin on the 4-hourly. This was the long that I opened earlier today. We're slightly in the profits. I opened the long at 29,359. Stop loss was at 27,400. Take profit is at 34,000. And that long is currently active right now. So I'm currently long in Bitcoin with the same trade. Why? Because we've got an inverse head and shoulders. Shoulder, head, shoulder. And I think the target will be around 34,000 for Bitcoin if that plays out. As I teach you in the crypto master course, you can learn technical analysis. And that will be an inverse head and shoulder. So this is, I talked about this in the previous video, but you have left shoulder. Then you've got the head. Then you've got the right shoulder. And then if this breaks the neckline, the target will be the base of the head. So this distance here, as I talked about in the previous video, taking us towards this target of 30, just under that actually, but it'll be around 34,000. EMA ribbons, we're still below the EMA. Oh, actually, let's see how we're doing. We're inside the EMA ribbons now. Let's see if we get rejected. We've been getting rejected, so most likely we will. VPVR, we've got a lot of resistance up here, especially at the 31,000. Crypto Guru bot still showing a sell, hasn't flipped to a buy. Bitcoin indicator bot still showing that buy from before, and that's still active. On the hourly, stochastic is heading up and still bullish. RSI is also heading up, still bullish, and squeeze mob going green. The only thing, volume is very low today, but we seem to be holding here. I think sellers are exhausted on Bitcoin. I'm going to show you my trades underneath this video. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, you sign up to Bybit, you get $4,600 in bonuses when you sign up and trade Bitcoin. Once you click that link and you sign up, it opens the trading software. NordVPN, if you have any country restrictions, the link's in the description and pin comment. It'll open this software. I've got in this account $198,650, which is beautiful. 198,000. In here, I've got BUSD 79,000, BIT 45,000. It's up 1%. Bitcoin, I've got one Bitcoin up 2.3%. CRV up 7% today, 27,000, which is beautiful. That's what I'm holding. My Bitcoin long is currently up $338, 11%. It's a $15,000 trade, which is nice. That's my trade. Let's look at now Ethereum. So again, if you haven't opened a long yet, I would be opening the long. I would still be going long on this inverse head and shoulders, opening it where we are right now. Take profit at 33,800. Stop loss below here. So 26,200. Take profit at 33,000. Actually, I would make the stop loss tighter because if it breaks down beneath here, so I'd make the stop loss 27,700. So this is the trade that I'd be taking on Bitcoin. Stop loss 27,746. Take profit would be at the upper end of this, 34,000. So risking 2,200 to make 4,700 unleveraged. 10x leverage would be 4,700. Now let's look at Ethereum and then Luna because that's the most requested. Luna is very difficult actually. I just bought Luna purely because I think we could be bottomed out in case they do have a recovery. But it's pretty much just a gamble. So I won't do TA on that because there's not much to see. We had a big support on Ethereum. The major support area is 1,730. And I talked about that when Ethereum was still back at 2,000 or 3,000. And people were like, no way. But we actually came down and hit it very quickly. 1820 is now a major support for Ethereum. We got a big bounce with a lot of volume. Let's check out the stochastic. On the daily, stochastic is still, it's oversold heading up. RSI, oversold heading up. Squeeze mob is still red. It hasn't turned gray yet. On the let's see what Crypto Guru bot is saying. Crypto Guru bot, which you get in the master course, still showing a sell. Bitcoin indicator bot is showing a buy on Ethereum. On the 4-hourly, we seem to be getting a bottoming formation, but that actually looks like a bear flag on Ethereum. Stochastic is going to the green side. This is a major support where Ethereum bounced off through. So this is a major support line. It'll be difficult to break it. Why? Because we had here, you can see 1 touch, 2 touches, 3 touches, 4 touches, 5 touches, 6 touches. So most likely we're going to get a bounce in here. If Ethereum breaks, the next major support for Ethereum would actually be down here at 1,547. So we really need to get a follow through on this big spike up in volume. Let's go into the 4 hourly. On the 4 hourly, we're getting, it is still making, let's see if it broke out of this downtrend. On the 4 hourly, Ethereum did break out of this downtrend. So that's good news. Let's go into the hourly. On the hourly, it's in a range, a pretty tight range between 1,800 and the top of the range 2,100. So about a $200 range. It's not making inverse head and shoulders on Bitcoin. So most likely Ethereum is going to get rejected here and come down to 1,828. That's 1,820. So I think Ethereum could be dropping here unless we get a big spike in volume. My target will be, it's forming an M pattern, 1,820. That's what's happening on Ethereum. So that's a quick update on Ethereum and Bitcoin. Again, if you want to trade using this link, Bybit down below, $4,600 signups. Magiccraft NFT collection is live. If you go to magiccraft.io, it went live. The Genesis collection, you can buy the NFTs. You can see all the rarities. There's 1% legendary, 10% epic, 89% rare. Utilities, unique spells, skills, and abilities. Access to realms, events, and raids. Access to additional summoning portal features. So this is the Magiccraft MCRT token, which you can find on CoinMarketCap and read about this project. It's the play-to-earn game that's being built right now, and it is live right now. There is a small trailer of it. Let's play. So that NFT collection is now live, magiccraft.io, and then you can go here, buy NFTs, and then you can connect your wallet and then mint the NFTs. It is now active to the public. So those are my trades. That's my thinking in the market. Ethereum, I think, will pull back a little bit. Let's see what happens with Bitcoin, but I'm bullish Bitcoin. I'm currently long. Hit the subscribe button. Join 74,000 people. Smash up, thumbs up on it. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.